So today we're going to be working on a little composting project. So unfortunately we can't set up the compost how I would like it at this stage, and the bins that you can buy from places like Bunnings are just way too expensive. So we've come up with a little composting hack, a DIY solution that we are hoping is going to work for us. So I've actually just bought a 75-litre black rubbish bin from Bunnings, and we are going to be turning this into a compost bin today. I've gone around the bin measuring 8 inches from the bottom and then again at 16 inches. This is where we will drill our holes to provide the circulation. Here I am just using the tape measure as a ruler to try and space out 6 holes on the outer edge of the bottom and then 1 in the middle. Then help with the drilling of the holes. So I'll just take you over to our sort of makeshift compost pile at the moment. We don't have a whole lot of stuff to put in here just yet, and we do realize that 75 litres is actually pretty small, but at the moment we're just 2 people and a lot of our kitchen scraps actually go to our worm cafe. But we're finding that there is just quite a bit of excess at the moment, as the cafe is still fairly new, so the worms aren't eating that much. So we are landing up with quite a little bit of waste, and we really want to make this waste work for us. So don't mind the plastic bag, it actually is compostable.
but not wet.
Yeah.
So that's wet. You want that? Now you wait 6 months.
Alright guys, that is the compost bin process for now. As you can see, it's so easy and really cost effective to set up. It only cost us like 20 bucks and it took Sven all of a couple of minutes just to drill those holes, and away we go. So I couldn't fit quite everything in the bin because obviously it is only 75 liters, but I have put in the important bits, and we will come back in a couple of months and just see how it's going. I will obviously go in and periodically just give it a bit of a turnover and just make sure everything is working as it should. Drop a comment below if you have got your own ideas on some easy and cheap composting solutions, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.